At last, Abia State, God's own state that was turned to devil's own state since 1999, the birth of Nigeria's new democracy, is free at last. Welcome to Open Whispers channel. Kindly remember to subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, and please remember that when a masquerade overstays in the arena, the uninitiated will throw sand at it. History has its first, meaning first time things happen. There will be many firsts, and there was many firsts in the Nigerians just concluded presidential election. Obi, Peter Gregory, showed his mettle and once again proved that the people's mandate will always count. Remember they said that it was like 4 people tweeting in a room. It turned out to be more than that. It turned out to be a tsunami of an election, even though it was rigged. One of the heroes of this election, Professor Nena Oti, who freed the people of Abia. I've done so many videos in this channel saying the mediocrity in Abia State and the devil in government, not just one person but successive governance. Professor Nena Oti ended up liberating the people of Abia State. I've always said that when women are in charge of a nation, that nation sees peace, freedom, and that is how this woman rejected all the traitors, corruption that was thrown up at her. She rejected it for the sake of the people of Abia State. Now, Oti, we know you are quick to run to the media to distance yourself from Peter Obi, that you would have won even without Peter Obi. Let me caution you. He who the gods wants to destroy, they first make mad. Don't be like Professor Charles Soludo, who, after all the fanfare, is leading Anambra State to their graveyard by so many utterances, unguarded that he has made. Well, I'll leave it to the court of the people. How do you feel about this hero of democracy, this Amazon, Professor Nena Oti? Do you really believe, like I do, that women will change Nigeria? That if a woman is made in charge of INEC, that things will be different? INEC wouldn't have failed us after several promises. INEC wouldn't have compromised themselves and considered the elites before the general masses of Nigeria, the poor people. Get in the comment section and let me know what you think. Do you believe that women are actually better than men when it comes to the issue of rejecting corruption or imbibing corruption? Let me know what you think. This is Chris Digos in Open Whispers. Be well, do good work, and please keep in touch. Free at last. Abia is free at last.